Welcome to this tutorial that will show you how to disable autoplay of videos on the YouTube homepage. YouTube, as a leading platform for sharing video content, often automatically plays videos on its homepage, which can be annoying and consume your internet bandwidth. Fortunately, there is a simple way to control this behavior and save your resources. In the following steps, we will guide you on how to adjust settings on the YouTube platform to enjoy content browsing without the inconvenient autoplay. We can start now. Open your YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your profile. Then click on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access YouTube settings. Now select the General option located here. On this page, there are many options. Scroll down and find the option we need. Playback in feeds. Now you have the choice to leave it always on. The second option is only when connected to Wi-Fi, and the last option is off. We'll choose the last option. Off. Now let's go back to the YouTube homepage. You will only see video thumbnails because videos will no longer start automatically unless you click on one to open it. This was a quick and simple tutorial on how to disable automatic video playback on the YouTube homepage. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.